So Manasmita, congratulations for
Thank
your
you, sir.
success in this OCS examination,
Thank you.
and again for your congratulations for this success in this Odisha Forest Service, which was published just few days back. You are the rank 2 there, and with rank 45 here in OCS examination. So I extending my heartfelt congratulations to you. So
Thank you very
just tell, so what is your strategy for these two exams?
First of all, I want to thank Team Banik and especially sir for your support throughout my journey. If I consider the strategy for these two exams, of especially for the administrative exam, I want to say that perseverance is the key to success. Means you have the patience to work hard, you have the patience to do smart work, but some after some time this patience starts to slow down. So
You have to motivate yourself, keep
Yes,
yourself motivated
so
every day.
during this journey, you yourself is the friend of your, means if up to some days your family support you, but after some days you are the person who support
Fighting
you
all alone
throughout
in
the
the
journey.
race.
So I want to say that
Self-motivation of the
perseverance.
perseverance, self-motivation.
Yes, sir.
And you have handled both the exams
Yes,
at
sir.
very quick span of time.
Yes.
And what are optionals?
In Odisha Forest Service, my optionals were agriculture and botany, but in Odisha Civil Service, my optionals are agriculture and forestry.
Okay. So how you started the preparation on the optionals?
Odisha Forest Service came in 2019. So after their examination started and over, then Odisha Civil Service started. So I don't have that any problem for preparation. And regarding the optional, agriculture is the common in both exam, but
Yeah.
botany in second paper, agriculture and botany are so quite
Almost,
similar.
yeah.
Only 30% are different. So I didn't face
So
any
what is
problems.
your educational background?
I have completed my post graduation in agriculture biotechnology from Department of Agriculture OUT in 2017.
Then when you started preparation?
From 2017 I started for.
And this is in OCS, this is your first chance?
No, this is my third attempt.
Third attempt. And OFS is the first chance?
OFS is the first attempt.
Okay. So how many hours on an average your span of preparation?
After institute coaching etc., I normally spend 10 to 12 hours.
On an average?
Yes,
And
sir.
that continuing for the last 2 to 3 years?
Yes, sir.
Very committed way
Yes,
to
sir. Yes, sir.
on every days.
Yes, sir.
10 to
That's
12
why I
hours.
said the perseverance is the most.
That's most important because continuously
the
preparing,
continuation is required.
when preparing for 12 hours on an
Yes, sir,
average
12 hours.
for long 3 years is a very long journey.
Yes, sir.
And what benefit you get from Banik in this preparation?
Banik, if I consider the first of all is the material, then support of faculty member, doubt clearing classes, and magazines, etc.
You write the test over here.
Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
the test of
Yes,
useful
sir.
to
The
you.
out-test
And how the experience in the mock board that we conducted over here?
Mogo, first I want to say that panel members are very cordial. So when I entered the room, I just before I just little nervous what will be the panel and what they will ask. But first after I entered the room, they are very cordial and I get relaxed and they ask questions. I answer.
And the mock interview that we conducted over here, they help you in your final
Yes, sir.
interview?
Yes, sir. It helped me a lot to overcome my stage fearness, and this gave a idea regarding what they want. Normally, panel what they want from a candidate. They don't judge our knowledge because it's already tested in both prelims
that's
and
you are
mains.
right.
So they normally see what the students approach to answer their questions. They don't see the whether it is wrong or right. They see the how
You are
the
handling the
student
situation.
handle the situation.
That's what. So you are the unique example because you handled 2 exams
Yes, sir.
and with the same preparation.
Yes, sir.
So it was little hectic for you.
Yes, sir. Hectic during actually OCS exam. It around 1 month is total exam period is 1 month. So that time is also hectic. Then preparation time is also hectic. So I want to say that if I decide something in mind, that no can obstruct.
So what will be your message to the youngsters preparing for this examination?
Maintain that consistency throughout the period. If you will break that consistency in some time, then go back, rest and take some friends circle, go and talk. But again, come and give your best.
So it is well said in OCS examination, it's the first test of perseverance,
Yes.
then the test of knowledge.
Yes, sir.
Because the process continue for a long period,
Yes, yes, sir.
and you have to be self-motivating
Yes.
yourself every day.
Yes.
So that means perseverance and continuous motivation will be the key to
Key to
success.
success.
So thank you for your presentation here, as well as wishing you all the best
Thank
for a bright career ahead, because you have to right now select where to go in Odisha Forest Service or in
Civil
Odisha Administrative Service, because both the domains are open for you right now. So wishing you for a judicious choice and a great career ahead. Thank you.
Thank you.